It can be frustrating when your Apple Watch is supposed to automatically detect your workouts, but nothing gets recorded. You might finish a walk, a run, or even a full exercise session only to realize there's no data saved at all. This usually happens because certain settings are turned off, sensors aren't working properly, or the watch isn't getting enough movement data to trigger detection. The feature itself is designed to recognize activity patterns and remind you to start tracking, but it needs the right permissions and conditions to work correctly. The good part is, this issue is very common and can usually be fixed in just a few quick adjustments. Once everything is set properly, your Apple Watch will start recognizing your workouts much more reliably without you having to manually start them every time. Try these. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch and go to Workout. Step 2. Make sure workout reminders and auto detect workout options are turned on. Step 3. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to Privacy, and enable fitness tracking and heart rate. Step 4. Check that low power mode is off, as it can disable automatic tracking. Step 5. Ensure your Apple Watch fits snugly on your wrist for accurate sensor readings. Step 6. Restart both your Apple Watch and iPhone to refresh all tracking functions.